How are we doing, guys? You alright? It's Steve here at a wet and soggy Don Amott Leisure. Welcome to the showground. Today's video is a 2023 but still brand new Elddis Autoquest 196. So it is a 6 sleeping, 6 travelling motorhome, 3.5 tonne, can be driven on any driving licence. It is a Peugeot manual engine, and it is 7.34 metres long, so it's under 7.5 metres. So starting off on the outside, as we said, it is the Autoquest 196. It's in the white with the red and grey. Couple of additions that we've stuck on the van. You've got your Dometic awning, so that's a cost that you're not going to have to incur, and also we've got the alloy wheels on there just to jazz it up a bit and make it look a little bit smarter. Walking around the outside for you, so that's your battery box. In there is where, sorry, it's not, it's a locker. Battery box is around the other side where it's plugged in, Steve. Dear me. We're having a shocker from the off. Right, let me just open that up and show you. So there you go. So a locker. That's underneath your front benches. We'll go in the door in a minute. Fridge and freezer vents. Gas tank or canister tank in there. And then you've got your 2 fitments for a bike rack. And that is a rear view system as well, which has also been added. Round to this side, pretty standard. Water in there. Toilet cassette there. And that one there, with an electric cable sticking out of it, is the battery box. I'm right this time. So it's all pretty standard stuff. There's a TV aerial on the roof, so you can get television. And it's on a Peugeot chassis, if I didn't say that before. So let's head on in. I'm probably making a few bodges because I'm shivering. Heading into the van, and we've got a nice big entrance with a low line, so there's no additional step or anything like that. Fly screen to your main door. Hello, welcome back. We're inside. It's all right, we stopped it because it was too cold out there. So, welcome to the interior. I hope you appreciate it. It's nice and bright, nice light colours. So, we'll start at the front and we'll work our way back like we normally do. So, in the front of the cab, it's pretty much what you would expect from a Peugeot van. So, the rear view camera system comes through where would the rear view mirror be, or where the rear view mirror would be. You've got Bluetooth controls on your steering wheel, and also speed limit and cruise control to the left of the steering wheel as well. It does have the updated bigger screen as well, so it's a 7-inch screen with, as I said, the rear view camera system, and then USB connection as well for Bluetooth and things like that. It's got satellite navigation built in. Both of the seats will swivel round to a certain extent. Obviously you do have the bulkhead here behind, but it will still spin round to a certain degree. And then front locker storage, which is just there, and then there's lots of bits of storage either side as well that Wendy's just pointing out. So in terms of like all your bedding and stuff like that, it can all go up there. Above my head is your first sleep-in, so that is an electric drop-down bed, which is a decent sized double, as you can see. And then also this will form a bed area here, and then this is where your travelling passengers will be. So there's 2 there reverse facing, and then there's 2 that will go there front facing. And as you can see, what we've done is you've got one where your seatbelts are exposed, and then another one where they're hidden away, so you can have it in either position depending on how many people are travelling. And another side bench there, and then your table will fit onto there. There is locker storage where the bed would be, or below the bed, and then you've got a power socket up there as well. Heading further back into the kitchen, we have a microwave up here, and then you've got a 3 gas hob with a separate grill and oven as well. Extra worktop space by way of a little lift up flap that goes there, and then that's where you'll control your electric bed from. 2 power sockets just there with the provision for an additional one that you can fit in there, and then your light switches. And then in here is all your pots and pan storage and things like that. And then all the way down here you've got drawers that go all the way down, and then a 3-way fridge, and a nice big decent size black sink is just there as well. But obviously you can use all of that as worktop space if you needed to. Heading into the toilet and washroom area, it's a nice big washroom style layout, where obviously it is a combination, so there's no separate shower, but it's nice and big and nice and spacious with loads of room and a little bit of storage in there as well. Heading further back Here is all of your wardrobe space and your drawers for your smalls underneath. So infills for beds and things like that are all in there initially. And as I said, it does have a TV aerial, and there is a TV bracket here pre-installed where you can mount a television with your TV points just there, and another 2 power sockets there as well. And then you can separate all this off, so there is a concertina door that's here that will slide out, and then also there's a smaller one just there that will meet it for this little bit. So you can separate that out, and then you're into your rear living area, which will also form a bed. An occasional table just there as well, but there's quite a lot of places to kind of separate yourself out. So, you know, if you're a bigger family, you can have people at the front, people at the back, doing what they want to do, entertaining or minding their own business on their iPad. But it's quite a big space, and that's what's great about it. There's no real, you're not going to get like under each other's feet if the weather's like it is outside and you want to chill out and stuff like that. More space above us that goes all the way around the back, so you know you're not short on storage. And then underneath here as well, so if I open that and open that, there is an abundance of space in there. And then it'll be the same on the other side, maybe a little less space because I think that's where the boiler will be, and that's the boiler there. We've put the heating on because we're cold, so you can hear in there that that's going, but there is a load of space as well. So all in all, for under 7.5 metres and 3.5 tonne, it's a really spacious van that, as I said, will sleep and travel 6. So if it's a family of 4 that want to bring 2 grandkids along, or you know you have got a family of 6, this could be the perfect van for you. It is a 23 model, as I said, but will be registered as a 24 model with a 2024 number plate on it, and nothing's changed from the 23 to the 24 model really anyway, so it's pretty much as it was. So if this is the sort of thing that you're looking for and you're after a really good quality brand new van that will sleep and accommodate and travel 6, it could be the perfect van for you. If you are interested, pick up the phone first to make sure it's still available. Ask for Steve in the first instance, because I would love to look after you. If not, there will be other members of the sales team that aren't quite as good as me that will also look after you as well. But yeah, if you want to pop down, brilliant, we'd love to see you. We've got an on-site cafe as well now, it's all new and posh and everything. But thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and hopefully we will speak to you and hear from you very soon, and we can show you around in person. Thanks a lot, take care, and speak to you soon. Bye. Me again. Just one more thing, because Wendy thought it'd be a good idea to show you the drop-down bed and how the drop-down bed works. So here you have your power switches up and down, and that's how you will activate and deactivate it. So again, the other good news with that is you can take the key out. So if you've got little ones that think it's fun to mess around with it, you can actually remove the key and stop that from happening. But basically, really simple. You turn it on, and then you press the down button for down and the up button for up. It will only go down a certain distance because of what's below you. You have got ladders that will attach there, and then obviously this is your nice decent sized double, but that's the beauty of it, it is a decent sized double. And then underneath here you do have the netting that you can connect into there to stop any little ones potentially falling out, you know, or rolling over and causing themselves a mischief, so you can kind of support them in there. But that's pretty much how the bed works. It was very simple, very quick. And then to go back up, you just press the opposite and go the other way. Obviously if you're plugged in, it will work a lot easier. If you're working off your battery, then you know you might not get a lot of life in it before it decides it wants to pack up. But this is brand new into stock, so we haven't had it on charge, so that's obviously why that's happened. But yeah, thanks for watching. Ta-da.